Hello teachers and staff. This video is designed to show you where to find the digital citizenship courses that you'll be working with your students this Friday, November 15th. These courses should have already appeared in your Canvas, and a little help finding them. It's actually pretty easy. If you haven't seen them already, they have this icon here. It's the keyboard, and it should say digital citizenship and the correct year. Now, once you find these courses, that should be either in your dashboard, and if you don't see them in your dashboard, you can go into all courses and find them that way. You can also go under all courses and star and unstar any of your courses under here in order to put them on your dashboard like I have here. So you can see we had a star by digital citizenship, and here are the two courses. Now I teach two different sections, so I have two different sections of video production 1 and video production 2 in my second hour, and so they both will be working in these courses for me. If you click on the course, you'll notice here it says digital citizenship, and here is the splash screen or the home screen for your students, and they'll simply click on start the course, and you and your students can work through each of the courses together. If you're interested in seeing what the students will see when they log in, you can click on Student View over here on the right-hand side, and it'll give you a view of what the students will see when they log into digital citizenship. And as a course, it's quite easy, very straightforward. Each module is locked, so students and you will need to work through each section one at a time, taking the assessments at the end. And once you finish with that section, the next section will unlock. As you can see here, the prerequisites are outlined above. Once you're done, if you wanted to check out your courses with Student View, you just simply need to come down here and say Leave Student View, and it will bring you back to the instructor view for the course. I hope this helps, and if you have any questions, please contact Sarah or myself. Our email is linked inside of this email that you received the video through. I hope this helps, and we will have some fun on Friday.